Alright, my name is Design Logica. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove letters from a design. Maybe you find a design and you realize that there are things in front of it and you want to remove them. So we will start with I will work on a t-shirt that has so many letters, and I want to show you how you can remove these letters from it. This shape, everything over here. One of the easiest way to remove these things from the t-shirt. So now you unlock this one. This is Adobe Photoshop 2023. Select your polygon here too, and then you draw. So you select the colors, you select this one. Immediately you go for the select color, it will give you just one option, but you click on this one plus, this plus over here, so that you can select additional colors to it, because not all of them are deep black. So based on the kind of color that you'll be working with, you zoom in to select them. So you see that it has selected all the colors. You right click here, you go for fill, content away, you wait for a while. Everything has been removed. So the selected ones, you go Ctrl D to deselect them, and you get it.